Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's presentation. I'm excited to share with you an overview of our incident management in ServiceNow. On this first slide, you'll see the year 2025 along with our page number and the title incident in ServiceNow. We are from SysNow Software PVT, Limited, located in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. I'll briefly take you through what we'll cover today, from the basics of incident management to how ServiceNow helps streamline processes. Let's get started. Today, I want to talk about incident management. Essentially, it's all about restoring normal service operation as quickly as possible. The main goal here is to minimize the impact on business operations, so disruptions don't cause long-term issues. At the same time, we want to maintain the quality of our service and ensure it stays available when our users need it most. So, what exactly is incident management? It's the process that helps us handle unexpected incidents efficiently. By doing this, we can keep things running smoothly and prevent any minor issues from turning into major problems. The key point is that the primary focus is on minimizing impact, making sure that business operations continue with as little interruption as possible. When we do this well, it ensures that service levels remain high and that users experience consistent, reliable support. This approach ties directly into our broader theme of service excellence. It's about being proactive, responsive, and committed to keeping our services available and of the highest quality. That's what effective incident management is all about. Let's talk about why incident management is so important. First, quick resolution of issues is crucial. ServiceNow helps automate the process of assigning and resolving incidents, which means IT teams can respond faster. This quick response reduces downtime, keeping everything running smoothly. Next, incident management improves business continuity. By quickly addressing problems, we avoid disruptions to core business processes. This ensures that employees can work without interruptions, supporting productivity and efficiency. Then there's the streamlined workflow. ServiceNow uses clearly defined incident states and tracks SLAs, so each step from new to in progress, resolved, and closed is monitored and managed effectively. This helps keep everything organized and transparent. Finally, better communication is a key benefit. Automated updates keep users informed about the progress of their tickets, which helps both users and technicians stay on the same page. All of these elements together highlight how essential effective incident management is for maintaining a resilient and responsive IT environment. Let's take a closer look at the incident management lifecycle. This is a crucial process for handling issues effectively and minimizing their impact. It all begins with identification, where we recognize that an incident has occurred. Once identified, we move on to logging, documenting all relevant details so we have a clear record. Next is categorization, where we classify the incident to understand its nature and scope. Prioritization follows, which helps us determine how urgently it needs to be addressed based on its severity and impact. Then comes assignment, where the incident is directed to the appropriate team or individual for resolution. During investigation and diagnosis, we dig into the root cause, analyzing the issue thoroughly to understand what's happening. Resolution and recovery involve fixing the problem and restoring normal service as quickly as possible. Finally, we reach closure, where we confirm that the incident has been resolved satisfactorily and document what we've learned. Understanding this life cycle helps us ensure a structured, efficient response to incidents, ultimately supporting the overall stability and reliability of our services. Now, let's take a closer look at the incident form in ServiceNow. This form is central to managing and tracking issues effectively. One of the first key points is the number field, which is auto-generated for each incident. This unique identifier helps us quickly locate and reference specific incidents. Moving on, we have the caller field, where we record who reported the issue, ensuring we know who to follow up with if needed. Next is the short description, a brief summary that gives us an immediate understanding of the problem. The description field allows for more detailed information, providing context that can be crucial for resolution. The category and subcategory fields help us classify the incident accurately, making it easier to assign and resolve. Priority is another vital field, indicating how urgent the incident is, which guides our response time. The assignment group specifies which team is responsible for addressing the issue. Lastly, the state field tracks the current status of the incident, whether it's new, in progress, resolved, or closed. Understanding these key fields helps us navigate the incident management process smoothly and maintain clarity throughout the lifecycle of each issue. Let's take a closer look at the different incident states that help us track the progress of each issue. First, we have new, which indicates that an incident has just been created and hasn't been worked on yet. Next is in progress, meaning someone is actively working to resolve the issue. When we see on hold, it usually means we're waiting for input from the user or a third party before we can continue. Then there's resolved, which tells us that the issue has been fixed, but we're still waiting for confirmation to ensure everything is working properly. Finally, closed signifies that the incident has been fully resolved and all necessary steps are completed. Understanding these states helps us manage incidents efficiently and ensures clear communication across the team. Now, let's explore the key benefits of ServiceNow incident management. First, we have faster resolution times. With this system, issues are identified and addressed more quickly, minimizing downtime and keeping your business running smoothly. Next, transparency in ticket tracking is a major advantage. It allows everyone involved to see the status of incidents in real time, enhancing accountability and communication across teams. Automation of workflows is another critical benefit. By automating routine tasks, we reduce manual effort and errors, freeing up your team to focus on more strategic activities. Lastly, real-time reports and dashboards give you instant insights into incident trends and performance metrics. This data helps you make informed decisions swiftly and improve overall service quality. Altogether, these benefits align with the overall goal of streamlining IT operations and delivering better service to your users. Thank you so much for your time and attention today. I really appreciate your engagement and interest in this topic. Remember, the key points we've discussed highlight the importance of understanding the core concepts and applying them effectively. It's all about connecting the ideas to create a meaningful impact. I hope you found this presentation valuable and that it inspires you to take the next steps with confidence. Once again, thank you.